Let's have a look at money calculations. I've selected a few problems for us to help us do money calculations. We've got £1 and 14 pence add £4 and 76 pence. To be able to do this calculation, you need to write them out the same way that you will do your decimal calculations. So £1, 14 pence, and £4, 76 pence, and you put your addition on the corner and do the line them up the way you line them in the columns. And now you just need to do your addition. 4 add 6 would be 10. So I'm going to write down my 0 and carry over 1. 1 add 1 add 7, and that will be 9. And we need to make sure that our decimal points line up. Yeah. And then the last bit is to add this 1 and 4 here. So, and that will be £5 and 90 pence. My second question, we need to add £3 84 and £3 16. So again, I'm just going to line them up, £3.84, the way that I line up in my decimal calculation, 3.16. And then I'm going to do my calculations. 4 add 6 is 10. I'll write down 0, carry over 1. 1 add 8 is 9, add 1 is 10. I'll write down 0 and carry over 1, making sure my decimal points line up. And 1 add 3 would be 7. Right, so that's the answer to that one. It's £7. So moving on to the next question. Here we've only got pence to add, and this is where you have to make sure that you line them up correctly. You can write them out using pounds and pence, as in £0 and 29 pence, add £0 and 42 pence. And then now you can do your calculations. 9 add 2 would be 11, carry over 1. And this would be 7, and that's 0 there. So you can write this as £0 and 71 pence, or you can also write it as 71 pence. But you can't write it as 0.71p. Yeah, that one is not correct, but this is correct and this is correct. Question number 4. Here we've got £3.98 and £0 75 pence. 8 add 5 is going to give us 13. We write down 3 and carry over 1. That's 10 add 7 would be 17. Put the decimal points up in a straight line, and you carry over 1 here, and that would just be 4. So that is £4 and 73 pence. And last question on decimal calculations or money calculations would be this one. £6.58, add £0 and 43 pence. Notice how I always use 0 to fill up the pound section if there are no pounds, because it's very easy to make mistakes. So we make sure that we use 0 to help us fill in any empty place value spaces. 8 add 3 would be 11. We write down 1 and carry over 1. And 5 add 4 add 1, that would be 10. Write down 0 and carry over 1. And that would just be £7 and 1p. So that's everything you need to know about money calculations. The units of money that we use in the UK is pounds and pence, and they come in notes and coins. You would have done notes and coins in primary school. So by the end of your time in primary school, you should be able to do money calculations. Um, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I shall see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Bye.